Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jennifer. How you guys doing? If you're new here, you're welcome. If you are not new here, you also welcome. Ain't nobody but I'm saying the festive spirit. I don't know. You should also be too. So, right, guys, if you remember my last video, I did a review of the new L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte cover foundation, and I did say I'm gonna compare or do a versus video of the 24-hour dewy foundation that came out before the matte 24-hour foundation, which I have right here. So this is the 24-hour matte cover foundation from L'Oreal, and this is the Infallible 24-hour fresh wear from L'Oreal. You can say this fresh wear could be a dewy to like soft kind of skin like. I wouldn't say matte because this is really mattifying foundation, so this is more like, you know, of a skin like dewy soft look, and this is more of a mattifying look as well, or base rather say. So I'm going to be comparing these two together for the half side of my face, the right and the left hand side, and we'll see how well this product work together or not, or you know. But just have this in mind, this is a mattifying foundation and this is a dewy foundation. So here's the foundation side by side together. The mattifying foundation is the tube foundation and the dewy foundation is the butter foundation. Which side should I put what side to? You know, I think I should put, you know, this side here, the mattifying side here, and the fresh wear here. I think so. And I've already done my brows out of the way, so we'll just go on into this tutorial. So before I continue, so recap, the mattifying foundation, it's a tube like packaging, very simple. You can see the product through the packaging. While the fresh wear foundation is a butter foundation, still you can see your foundation through the butter, and this is a pump based butter foundation, so you have to press, you still have to squeeze this out. So I'm gonna prime my face, and I will be using the Pro Base Smooth and Set Primer Blush Stick from MUA Makeup Academy. I like this blush stick primer. It kind of make my foundation look so smooth, so also I tend to use it here and there. And I'm gonna blend out that primer with a brush, you know, just to, you know, circulate on my face. I'll be using two different brushes for this foundation, which are, yeah, I can say this for the doing one and this is for the matte one. I don't know, I might mix the two brushes together, who knows. So I don't know, you probably might have to give it a quick shake of both foundation to mix all the formula and liquid together. So here you have the mattifying side of the foundation, and here you have the fresh wear dewy side of the foundation. These two are two different shades. The fresh wear foundation shade is in 365 deep golden, and the mattifying side foundation shade is in 340. So it's in a bit of the 300 ranges. forgot I have mattifying foundation on my face, so I actually need to quickly blend it off. Guys, so this is the blended foundation face, both half of the foundation. Obviously they meet right at the middle, and you can see, you can't clearly see, but you can see a bit of a distinctive undertone differentiation. Okay, I don't know what English is that, but I know it's correct. So you can see a difference in the foundation undertone. You can see it's a bit deep, warm, dark. I can put in that word, but it's not dark, but it's a bit lighter, you know, golden kind of foundation, but it didn't meet right in the middle. So looking like this, you would tell that I'm using two different foundation. I kind of like the way both of this foundation feels and set on my skin. It doesn't feel as if I am wearing any two type of foundation. It feels one, both feels like a bit of soft matte, so they do definitely dry to soft matte. Honestly, you can see they do look the same. A little bit of this feels a bit matte, this feels a bit, I can see oil, or like, you know, doing that shiny through this foundation, but in the setting of both of them, they are very, very soft matte. I like it. So I am just gonna conceal. I'm gonna use one concealer to conceal both face, to blend anything I need to blend, to bring the face back to life and set the face, and we'll be back to, you know, talk about the finished look and what we think about this foundation. Concealer is really blending well on top of this both foundations. Like I said before, they actually look the same. You can't tell that I'm wearing a different foundation, you know. Probably I'm just good with, you know, my blending techniques, you know, that you can't see. So guys, look at my left side of my face, well blended, mattifying side. On my right side of my face, well blended, fresh, well dewy side. Both are the 24 hours infallible foundation. Wow. Welcome back, guys. So this is the finished bits look to our Versus foundation, and I can pretty say I don't know what's the difference, really. You can see the difference in shade, but in terms of feels, they both feels matte. They both feels soft matte, not really matte, soft matte. They both feel skin like. I don't know. I don't really know what to say. So remember, let's have a recap. This was our mattifying side, and this is our fresh wear side. So this is the Infallible 24 hours matte cover, and this is the Infallible 24 hour fresh wear. Can you guys spot any difference? I'm not sure I can spot any difference, but I am gonna bring someone to come and see if they can tell which side is which side. Sophie, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Can you please come over here and tell me? You don't have to be in the video, but you can be right there. Just tell me. Okay, I use these two foundation on my face, and what the first question is, what do you think of the both side of my face? Are they the same, or is anything different? Don't look at the high makeup or the blush, just it's the base with the skin.
Listen, let me see the other side. There isn't any much difference.
Are they, so you mean that the one foundation?
Yeah, they're the same.
Okay. Out of these two foundation, guys, which one is the one I use? So you know, you have to point it, because I'm going to hold it to the camera, so you have to touch it. So which one did I use on my face? Which one is my right? This one is no. This one, yeah.
One on your right hand.
Yeah, I use both of them on my face. So you have to choose which side I use which side.
I think the right one is on both sides of your face.
The tube one.
The tube
and
one.
this one. What about this one?
This
So
one
you
is,
make
it's
me
a little bit dark and I can't see any trace
you
of it
making
on your
me
face.
oh, you're making me laugh. Oh, so she's trying to say, obviously you heard him. This tube is on both sides of my face that I actually use this, but you and I know that I use this too. So I know which side I use, but I just need I just want you have to just decide. Yes, you may think I use one on both sides of my face, but I just want you to pick which one is my right hand side and which one I use on my left hand side. Or yep.
I'll still go with the tube.
Okay. Well, I use this on my left hand side and I use it on my right hand side.
Oh my god.
It's difficult, it's hard to tell which I use. That is the benefit of having a good right undertone which matches your skin and no one can tell. But the main purpose of this video is just to tell the difference between a mattifying foundation and a dewy foundation, and they're both 24 hours. So literally I can wear this makeup in a 24 hours if I do have the time, which probably not today. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, still give it a thumbs up, you know. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. What are you waiting for? Come up, subscribe to this channel and leave your comment below on what you think about this look, your thoughts about this old makeup look. Although I did not show a bit my face, and if you're interested in this eye look, I just did a video of this eye look and I think it's my previous video, so guys go check it out. I'll probably leave a link at the end of this video. So yeah, I actually love this. I love everything really, so it actually fits my jumper. Ooh, Christmas is here. Ooh. I don't really like bringing my foundation to my neck regardless, because anything on my neck transfers to my shirt and that will just make my shirt dirty. So all my foundation stuff just like, you know, the tip of my neck. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, leave your comment below, click on that notification bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. Don't forget to subscribe guys, and until then I will see you on my next video. So take care of yourself and be nice to others. If you don't love yourself, will. Peace out. And don't forget guys, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I will see you in 2020.